Hello and welcome to Spot On. I'm Sabine from Porsche, and now we are going to have a look at the device manager in the infotainment system. The device manager gives you an overview of all connected devices and their connection status. You can open the device manager via the devices tile in the home screen or by tapping the connectivity symbol on the sidebar. If you tap on Connect New Devices, you have an overview of all available connection options. Make sure that depending on the option you choose, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are activated on your smartphone. If you wish to connect your smartphone with the infotainment system, tap on Connect New Phone. The instruction on the right side tells you to open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. The infotainment system will recognize all available Bluetooth devices. Select your smartphone and confirm the pairing. If you wish, allow your contacts and favorites to sync. Now your smartphone will appear in the device list. To delete a device from the device list, simply swipe from the right to the left side. You can check the connection status of your device and its available functions by looking at the color of the symbols. Blue means that the function is currently active. If the symbol is white, the function is possible but inactive. If there is no symbol at all, the function has not been established yet or might be not available for your smartphone. A maximum of 2 smartphones can be connected simultaneously. Both phones can receive incoming calls, but only the primary phone can make outgoing calls. The primary phone is indicated by the 1 shown next to your smartphone's device name. You can mark one phone as your favorite by tapping on the star icon. This phone will be connected as your primary phone every time you enter your vehicle. I hope you enjoyed this video about the device manager. See you next time.